Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most versatile ingredients in the culinary world, mushrooms. Whether you're a die-hard fungi fan or just dipping your toes into the mushroom pool, there's so much to love about these little flavor powerhouses. From their earthy taste to their meaty texture, mushrooms can elevate any dish. So, let's talk about the best ways to cook mushrooms, and I promise you'll be inspired to toss them into your meals more often. First up, let's start with the classic method, sautéing. It's simple, quick, and brings out that deep, rich flavor we all adore. Just heat a bit of oil or butter in a pan over medium heat, toss in your sliced mushrooms, and let them sizzle. You want to give them space, don't overcrowd the pan. This helps them brown beautifully. Season with salt and pepper, and maybe a dash of garlic if you're feeling fancy. Sautéing takes only about 5 to 7 minutes, and you'll end up with tender, golden mushrooms that are perfect for pasta, on top of a steak, or even in an omelet. Seriously, the possibilities are endless. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more hands-off, let's talk about roasting. Roasting mushrooms is a game changer. Preheat your oven to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss your cleaned mushrooms in olive oil, salt, and your favorite herbs. Thyme and rosemary work wonders. Spread them out on a baking sheet and let the oven do its magic. In about 20 minutes, you'll have caramelized, crispy edges that bring out an incredible depth of flavor. Roasted mushrooms are fantastic in salads, grain bowls, or just as a side dish. Plus, they fill your kitchen with a mouth-watering aroma that will have everyone asking what's cooking. Next, let's explore the world of grilling. Grilled mushrooms have this smoky, charred flavor that's simply irresistible. Portobello mushrooms are perfect for this. Just marinate them in a bit of balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and garlic for about 30 minutes. Then, throw them on the grill for about 6 to 8 minutes per side. You'll get those beautiful grill marks and a juicy, meaty texture that makes them a great burger substitute. Trust me, even your meat-loving friends will be impressed. Now, if you're in the mood for something a bit more indulgent, let's talk about stuffed mushrooms. This method is perfect for appetizers or party snacks. Take some large mushroom caps, think cremini or portobello, and scoop out the insides. Then, create a delicious filling using cream cheese, herbs, breadcrumbs, and maybe some crumbled sausage or spinach. Stuff those caps to the brim, sprinkle a little cheese on top, and pop them in the oven at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes. You'll end up with gooey, cheesy goodness that's sure to impress your guests. And speaking of indulgence, how about making a creamy mushroom sauce? This is a fantastic way to elevate your pasta or chicken dishes. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in a pan, then add sliced mushrooms and cook until they're golden. Pour in some heavy cream, a splash of white wine, and season with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of nutmeg. Let it simmer until it thickens, and you've got a luxurious sauce that's rich and comforting. Toss it with fettuccine, or drizzle it over grilled chicken and watch your taste buds dance. Let's not forget about soups. Mushroom soup is a classic comfort food that's perfect for chilly days. You can make a simple version by sautéing onions, garlic, and mushrooms together, then adding vegetable or chicken broth. Let everything simmer until the flavors meld, then blend it until smooth for a creamy texture. If you want to take it up a notch, add a splash of sherry, or finish it with a drizzle of truffle oil for that extra touch of luxury. Serve it with crusty bread, and you've got a cozy meal that warms the soul. For those of you who love a bit of crunch, let's talk about frying. Fried mushrooms are a guilty pleasure. You can coat them in a simple batter or breadcrumbs and fry them until golden and crispy. Serve them with a dipping sauce like garlic aioli or a spicy marinara, and you have the perfect snack or appetizer. Just be careful, they can be addictive. Now let's switch gears and talk about a healthier option, steaming. Steaming mushrooms might not be the first method that comes to mind, but it's a great way to retain their nutrients while keeping them tender. Just place your mushrooms in a steamer basket over boiling water for about 5 minutes. You can toss them in a salad afterward, or add them to stir fries. They'll soak up all the flavors from the other ingredients, making them a great addition without all the added fats. Last but not least, let's not overlook the magic of mushrooms in a slow cooker. Throw in some mushrooms with your favorite ingredients, like beef, chicken, or vegetables, and let them cook low and slow. The mushrooms will absorb all those delicious flavors and create a rich, hearty dish perfect for chilly evenings. Think of a mushroom and beef stew or a savory mushroom risotto. The slow cooker does all the work, and you get to enjoy the incredible results. So there you have it. Whether you're sautéing, roasting, grilling, or frying, mushrooms are a fantastic ingredient that can fit into any meal. They're not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making them a great addition to your diet. I hope you feel inspired to experiment with mushrooms in your cooking. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to enjoy them. Just find what you love and have fun in the kitchen. Happy cooking, everyone.